afternoon. Welcome to the Metal Acres Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the terrible rusty lug nuts on my Caprice. First, we have to move some junk around. I'm replacing. You can see how bad and ugly they are. Got some new fancy ones, if you call that fancy. Manually thread it. And then I am tool of choice is my Tecton split beam. I like these because it's very easy to set. It's set for 90. It's just a little dial. You lock it in, and you're done. And I'll go around and torque all these. And as you're doing this, make sure you're aware of your surroundings. Don't put your knee in something you don't want to regret. Driver's side rear is way worse. I'm not sure what caused this other than just being cheap. But just to show you, just don't cheap out on everything. Ew. Always torqued them in the star pattern. Next.